Hi! In front of me is Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate one-handed mode on this Huawei. Firstly, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Notice accessibility features and tap on one-handed mode. Tap on the switcher to activate it and follow those instructions. As you can see, I have 3 keys navigation, so I will follow those. Swipe across the navigation bar. If you want to use your one-handed mode with your left hand, you need to swipe to the left. Then go back by clicking on the blank area. If you wish to do the same but with your right hand, you need to swipe to the right. Then click on the blank area one more time. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, just click at the same switcher and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!